Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. This is going to be a freebie alert video. So it's going to be a short video just to let you know of what is available in the shops to buy. I got it here, but I've opened it up the wrong way. So I'm going to try and do it without dropping everything. I just want to show you the outer packaging so that you know what to look out for when you go into the shops. There, it's a Dear magazine. And Dear magazine is run by Superdrug. They bring out like a monthly free magazine, I believe, inside their stores, but they also bring out seasonal magazines, and this is it. It costs £3, and you can see it contains lots of Freebie beauty products, and it's got a value of over £11. So you can get these magazines anywhere really that sells magazines. A WH Smith or an Aldi, Lidl, Tesco's, Morrison's, I'm trying to think now. Anywhere really that does sell magazines, you will probably find this. I remember in the last magazine, I had 3 of them because they had a set of Ardell wispy lashes, and it's what I normally wear. And I was thinking, for £3, I've got the magazine. Although I don't need the magazine 3 times, but I've got the magazine, but I get those lashes, and I can't remember what it was now. I think there was a Makeup Revolution, highlighting, liquid, and I can't remember the other things, but I just thought it's worth it. It's just £3 to get the lashes and all the little extras. I also think we had a toothpaste as well, so this might be a repeat, but I'll just show you what I got in mine. There's 14 different products all together, so each magazine will have different products in. So this is my one, and this next one is Misguided Babe Powder Perfume. It's 2 mils. Then I had another one, Jennifer Lopez Enduring Glow. So it's a little card there. Now, in all honesty, I know it's £3, but I much prefer the spring magazine, the products anyway, or the products I've received. Obviously, when I go through the list of all the other items that are up for grabs, you know, there's some there that I would have preferred to have than these. But, you know, I don't want to be trawling through every single newsagents in the place where I live just to get some of the products, because they are just mix and match. So, but yeah, I do think, like, because I think it's because of the Ardell lashes, I just like them and I use them. So I was excited about that. But, oh, that is nice. That is nice. Oh, that is so lovely. So what's it called again? Enduring Glow. Oh, that is really nice. I do like some of the perfumes actually, or many years ago I did. Don't think I've sniffed any for a long while. So that's that. We got a Hawaiian Tropic Skin Hydration Sun Lotion, SPF 30. We got a little 7.4 ml sachet there. Then we got a full size, which is rather nice, a Revolution Blush Palette. I don't know if I have had it before or not, and whether I've given it away, but looking at the colours, they are quite pretty. You see that more up close. They are quite pretty. Definitely colours I'd wear. These more down here than those. Makeup Revolution, hit or miss with me. Some products I absolutely love, others I don't like at all, but no, so that's that item there. So my freebies then is this palette, toothpaste, some perfume, another perfume, and an SPF cream. The magazine is really good. I really like the magazine. I've had a flick through, and it's all about summer and getting summer prepped and everything. And it just tells you all about different beauty products. It has interviews. It's a really, really nice, decent magazine. As I said, there's 14 different ones in total. See, I would have liked that mascara. That would have been cool. So considering that they're free, they're freebies, you can't moan. You can't moan. I'm certainly not moaning. I'm just saying that I preferred the Springs magazine, the products inside there, to this one. But for £3 though, I'm definitely happy with what I've got for £3, and the magazine as well, because it looks quite a good read. A short video, but just to let you know, if you're interested in getting it for yourself, I definitely recommend checking out all your newsagents and supermarkets and stuff to try and get it, and have a look through the cellophane wrapper just to see the sort of products that are inside as well, so just in case you've got like a choice of different ones. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots of videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.